During a recent media briefing, the Joint Management and Monitoring Center for the Situation in the Middle East addressed growing public concerns regarding diesel fuel running out at various gas stations. Authorities reassured the public that Thailand's crude oil supply and refining capacity remain entirely sufficient to meet national demand. The current issue is not a lack of fuel, but rather a bottleneck in the transport infrastructure, which is struggling to keep pace with a surge in consumer demand and panic buying. Danucha Pichayanan, Secretary General of the National Economic and Social Development Council, or NESDC, confirmed that over 3.4 billion liters of crude oil have arrived in Thailand in the past 20 days alone. He clarified that the out-of-fuel signs at certain stations are the result of transportation limitations. There is currently a shortage of specialized oil transport vehicles that meet the necessary safety standards, and increasing the fleet size cannot be done overnight. Furthermore, during this crisis, major fuel providers are prioritizing their own branded stations, which has reduced the volume available for independent wholesalers. Regarding the Oil Fuel Fund, the government assured that the fund still possesses the liquidity to support domestic prices, though it requires constant monitoring of global market volatility. In a notable shift, fuel prices in Malaysia have now surpassed those in Thailand for the first time, following a reduction in Malaysian government subsidies. Ponchai Jirakul Paisan, Director of the Policy Division at the Oil Fuel Fund Office, explained that while domestic prices must eventually reflect actual global costs, the fund is working around the clock to prevent sudden price shocks. Regarding the potential for the diesel ceiling price to rise beyond 33 baht per liter, he stated it is too early to provide a definitive answer.